Hello, welcome back. Take a moment, pause everything, and think about this. Can you feel how fast time is moving? One day becomes a week becomes a month, and before you even realize it, another year is gone. We are moving toward 2026, and this raises a serious question. When 2026 arrives, what will your life look like? Will you feel proud of how far you've come? Or will you feel disappointed, asking yourself where all the time went? I'm not here to scare you. I'm not here to judge you. I'm here to wake you up. Because if your life is not improving right now, this is not bad luck. This is a signal. And signals are meant to be noticed. Most people don't fail because they are stupid. They don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they drift. They live on autopilot. They repeat the same days. They delay the hard work. They escape discomfort. And one day, years are gone. So today, we start with the most important step, facing reality. You cannot fix what you refuse to admit. You cannot change what you keep hiding. Be honest with yourself, not with the world, not with social media, not with friends, with yourself. Look at your life as it is right now. Your health, your energy, your money, your skills, your confidence, your discipline. Ask yourself honestly, am I improving or am I just surviving? Am I building something meaningful or am I only passing time? If the answer makes you uncomfortable, that's okay. Discomfort is the beginning of growth. Stop pretending everything is fine when it is not. Many people smile outside but feel lost inside. They say, I'm okay, but deep down, they know they are not. Pretending delays progress. Honesty creates movement. The moment you tell yourself the truth, you take the first step forward. Your current life is not random. It is not fate. It is not luck. It is the result of your daily choices. What you do every day. What you avoid every day. What you repeat every day. These things are shaping your future. This is not about blaming yourself. This is about responsibility. Because responsibility gives you power. When you say, this is my life and I own it, you also say, I can change it. Look at the areas you have been neglecting. Maybe it's your health. You feel tired all the time. You don't move your body. You don't sleep well. Maybe it's money. You earn, but you never save. You spend without thinking. You feel stressed about the future. Maybe it's skills. You haven't learned anything new in years. You feel stuck. You feel replaceable. Maybe it's your mind. Always distracted, always worried, always tired. Whatever it is, don't ignore it. What you ignore today becomes a problem tomorrow. Comfort feels safe, but comfort is dangerous. Comfort looks like scrolling for hours. Comfort looks like sleeping too much. Comfort looks like delaying important work. Comfort looks like choosing easy pleasure over long-term growth. Comfort does not destroy your life suddenly. It destroys it slowly. Many people think they are lazy, but most of the time, they are not lazy. They are unclear. They don't know what they want. They don't know where they are going. They don't have a clear direction. When you have no direction, motivation disappears. But when you get clear, something changes. Clarity creates focus. Focus creates action. Action creates results. Time is not waiting for you. Time does not slow down because you feel confused. Time does not pause because you feel afraid. 2026 is coming. Whether you prepare or not. The real question is this. Will you arrive in 2026 stronger than today? Or exactly the same? You don't need to change everything today. You just need to start moving in the right direction. Small steps matter. One small habit, one honest decision, one change in routine. Big change always starts small. Awareness is the beginning of transformation. Start noticing how you spend your time. Start noticing what drains your energy. Start noticing what keeps you stuck. Perfection is not required. Progress is. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. If you've been waiting for the right time, this is the time. Today. Before you build a better future, you must stop what is damaging your present. Some habits don't hurt immediately. They hurt slowly. Late nights, endless scrolling, unhealthy eating, wasted hours. They feel harmless, but over time, they steal your future. Slow damage is still damage. Your daily habits are creating your 2026 life. Not your dreams, not your plans, your habits. Distractions are everywhere, and distractions steal time. If you don't control distractions, they will control you. Fix your sleep. A tired mind makes bad decisions. Comfort is more dangerous than hardship. Hardship makes you grow. Comfort makes you weak. Stop escaping problems. Escaping feels good for a moment, but problems grow when ignored. Face them. Action is better than delay. Tomorrow is not real. Action creates readiness. Your environment shapes you. Protect your future. Distance from negativity is self-respect. Keep promises to yourself. Self-trust builds discipline. You don't need to become great today. You just need to stop becoming worse. Now we build discipline. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline is structure. And structure creates freedom. Your life is made of days. Control your days, and you control your life. Wake up on time. Not extremely early, just consistently. Fix your mornings. Avoid your phone. Plan your day. Do one useful thing. Discipline means doing what must be done, even when you don't feel like it. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. Start with one habit. One habit done daily changes everything. Your body supports your discipline. Sleep well, eat better, move daily. Plan your day simply. One main task, two small tasks. Clarity reduces stress. Discipline equals freedom. Consistency matters more than intensity. Miss one day, not two. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Ask yourself often, who am I becoming? Now fix your mind. A distracted mind creates a distracted life. Overthinking creates fear. Action creates clarity. Do one task at a time. Silence builds focus. Noise steals clarity. Train your attention. Your thoughts shape your actions. Change how you talk to yourself. Fear lives in the future. Stay present. Confidence is built through action. Mental strength means not quitting on hard days. Problems are part of life. Pain teaches lessons. Control your emotions. Pause before reacting. Hard days are normal. Don't quit on hard days. Detach from instant results. Growth is happening quietly. Now we talk about skills and money. The world pays for value. Value comes from skills. Degrees help, but skills create security. Your income follows your skill level. Build skills that grow with time. Communication. English. Problem solving. Improve one skill every day. Even 30 minutes is enough. English opens doors. Practice daily. Build income options. Skills create choices. Now money discipline. Track spending. Save regularly. Stop spending to impress others. Freedom is better than status. Cut unnecessary expenses. Build an emergency buffer. Money is a tool, not identity. Skills plus discipline create freedom. Now listen carefully. No one is coming to save you. No perfect time. No magic moment. 2026 is coming. Who will you be when it arrives? Effort hurts for a moment. Regret hurts for years. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Small actions done daily change lives. Protect your time. Protect your energy. Protect your focus. Your past does not define you. Your next decision does. Imagine yourself in 2026 calmer, stronger, more disciplined, more confident. That future is not a dream. It is a result. And it starts today. One step is enough. Action creates momentum. Momentum changes everything. Decide now. Decide to stop delaying. Decide to take responsibility. Decide to fix your life. Before 2026, the best time to start has always been today.